Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your search history which you have deleted. Now, you want to go ahead to your profile, but before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, you want to go ahead to the three lines at the top and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, you want to scroll down until you see Report a Problem. Click on it. And now from here, you want to find an option Search and Other. And now need more help. And now what you want to do is go ahead and write this message, which would say, I want to recover my deleted search history. Please fix this for me. And you basically just send it to them. And they will write you down after 24 to 48 hours. Now you need to submit a ticket if they ask you to. You describe their problem, submit it, and after, as I said, 24 hours, you will see if they fix your problem. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.